Hello people who search the interwebs, my name is Natalie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the new MacBook Pro 13-inch. And before we started, I just wanted to express that I'm very grateful for the fact that I have a job, that I was able to afford such a nice computer, and that I'm able to film this video for you guys. So before I unbox this, which is probably what you all came for, I do really quickly want to compare my old MacBook to this one. So this one is the 2021, this year, space gray MacBook Pro M1, and this is with the chip, the M1 chip. I don't know, I'm not technologically advanced. And this is the MacBook Pro 2017, which was the year that the touch bars came out, but I got it without the touch bar because it was extra money to get the touch bar then. Now I think that they mostly come with the touch bar, and I want the touch bar, and I had some regrets about not getting the touch bar, but it's just the 2017 silver. I wish I would have gotten space gray on this one. All right, so we're about to, there's a little thing that you pull right here, and I have a little bit of paper on here just to block the address. I am, you know, obviously taking precautions. So woo, wow, I'm so excited. Ooh, that was loud. That was very loud. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Look at it. It's beautiful. It says MacBook Pro. Hold on, it's upside down. It says MacBook Pro in space gray, and I feel like that's pretty cool. The little box shows the computer in like blue and pink, and I think that the silver one shows different. The back. Then I'm ready to peel the plastic off, which is the best part. It's the best part. All right, so I'm not sure what's the best way to do this. So I'm gonna hold it up like this, and oh my gosh, look at go. Oops, that wasn't very satisfying. Oh my gosh. Now I can get a little bit of a closer look. All right, let's get to the good stuff, the actual computer. All right, let's get this bread, boys. The box is very thick, just so you know. There it is. Here she is in all her glory. It's a she, because obviously. All right, I just want to put this off to the side to start. It smells like plastic. All right, so I'm gonna quickly show you guys what's inside the box. We've got our little paperwork that they give you with every Apple product with stickers. Oh my gosh, these stickers are like the space gray color. That's kind of cool. Just the how to use the computer basics, and all right, and so under that we have the cube, and it has some fun plastic to rip off. Oh, that's so satisfying. If that's not satisfying. I'm very bad at this. Ta-da! There it is, a new cube. These are so nice to have. And a new charger, which I definitely, desperately needed. All right, so here's the part you probably all came for, the peeling. All right, so here's a little plastic thing, and let's start the peeling process. Oh my gosh. How unaesthetic of me. Yes. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's upside down to you. All right, so let's open it. Ooh. All right, so let's take the screen thing off. Perfect timing.
Press the return key.
Enter. Return. Ah, I don't want to touch it. It's so beautiful. All right. Select my region. United States. Does it know where I am? Accessibility. Okay, I'm gonna do this as a time lapse and I'll be back. So I basically have to wait for my dad to get off the phone because I don't know what my Apple ID is. So we'll be back. Alright, so it's quite a bit later and I've kind of been playing around with the computer. The touch bar is so cool. You can literally like control exactly what like section you're at and the volume and the brightness in the Siri, and like when you're on Zoom you can like mute and unmute. So this is the wallpaper I have right now. It's a little bit blurry. I'm not sure whether that's just like the picture that I chose or something, but you know, I thought it was cute just for. So I just wanted to share that Apple does a lot of education, helping, and stuff like that. I understand that it can be kind of expensive, so over the summer, I think that they also do the education deal for $999. You can either get the iPad or the MacBook, and you get AirPods or Beats by Dre, and that's what I did for my other computer. I hope you enjoyed this video, and it is edited on my new Final Cut Pro, which I'm so excited about. You know, I'm honestly going to miss my old computer because it was an amazing computer, but I think that this is more professional, more me, more good for what I'm going to be doing, which is school and editing. And this is going to be my computer in college, which is so weird, and it even has finger ID. There's a little thing right here I'll show you, and it's finger ID. That is a little finger ID. Isn't that so cool? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. There's a little orb thing, and I'll see you all in my next video. Peace.